start again now. He's getting slow. The blue. He was first place. Wait, let's see. Oh, he cheated. He bumped him to make him go up.
Oh yeah.
See, he cheated.
Fourth.
He cheated. No, that's the fourth.
We should still leave him in here, right?
No, this one won third. He cheated, though, with the brown one. Wow, the brown's already turned off now because he won. I told you he did good.
Yeah,
the brown.
he won second.
Again, he won good.
Starter set.
Yeah.
Guess what?
Yeah?
I know my habitat. I can make a starter set for my starter set.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the pink.
Oh. Look at this one, Lucas. It's getting dead.
Oh, you might go. Oh, starter set.
Oh, finally. This is the first time you won today.
Oh, look at the yellow.
Yep. This one's tipped over. I wonder if there's any. Oh, I wonder if there's any in the closet. Hey, there's the orange. Oh, we forgot to turn one on. This green. Let's turn on. Oh, look at the orange now. Lucas, all my animals are bubbles. Wait, or else we'll keep one wet. There's one in the closet somewhere.
Oh, this. Wait, sixth place.
Yep. Which one is it? The turquoise.
Turquoise is actually on.
I think I heard one in the closet. No, there isn't. Here's the battle one. I better record it before it gets lost again.
Oh,
Remember yesterday Black was green was chasing its tail?
Oh man, he went back down.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! They let out the purple. That can't happen.
Hey, I put both of the racers down in the spiral.
The dead fast one in the pink.
They're going here.
Yeah. Oh! They're fighting who's gonna go first. Oh, whoa! He won! They didn't log him in. He's 7th place. Starter set one, the old one. Lucas, the old starter set. Most of the starter sets are not no more. They both won.
Dude, look how much I put down the spiral.
Oh, that's a lot.
I didn't even put the orange one down.
I want a battle. I want a battle.
Yeah, I'll put this guy up.
Oh, man. And if they run completely dead, like if they were right here, Lucas, and they ran completely dead, Lucas,
Yeah.
right here, then I have to change them and they start all the way over there again. But they don't take long to get back. Whoa, there's still two over there. The black and green with the blue cover and the red, gravity red.
Watch this. Watch how many you can go.
Oh, cool, yeah. And it's recording it. Oh, the lime greenstone. Oh. Hey, this is good. They're coming up.